Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is a new Depin project in town. I started this thing today as I'm making this video. The name is ATOK. Look at it here, ATOK. ATOK Depin app. You can start doing this. As Telegram project is disappointing us here and there, I think we should have to channel our energy to Depin project. And this particular one is very easy to mine. All you have to do is to make sure that you log in daily to claim your points. You claim your points every 4 hours. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Use that link and join. And also subscribe to this channel if you are seeing my video for the first time. You can as well join my WhatsApp group for more updates. So once you log in here, you're going to log in with your email and you have to create your password. And once you do everything, your interface will be like this. Here, over here, you can now see game. If you tap on this game, you have a game that you can play to get more coins. Now tap on it. Here is the game. But the person that introduced me to this roller game, he's telling me not to play this particular game because it's a spin game. Let me just open it. It's a spin game. Once you open it, you're going to play this, spin it with your balance. And he is trying to say that if I don't spin, I'm going to accumulate more coin, and once he reach up to 100 points, I can withdraw it to B&B coin. So that is it. Basically, I have not played the coin because of what he said, but you can choose to try to play it. What you have to do is just to click on this spin. If you click on the spin, you will, have you see that my balance has reduced? Let me now know what I'm going to get from this one that I have spent. I got 15 points. Well, it is a two-way traffic. You can spin and have more points, or you lose. But what he's trying to say is that you can, if you don't spin, you accumulate more points that will enable you to withdraw once it's reached 100. So the ball is at your court. If you choose to spin with your balance, good and fine. It is your points and it is your coins. So do what you know that is best for you. Now I got 5. So that is how to play this spin game. Now another thing to know in this particular project is this. We have the daily quiz, I mean to say. If you click over to the home page, you can see avatar. Look at this avatar, tap on it. So right here is the daily game. Every day you have to answer a daily quiz. Sorry, why am I calling game? Daily quiz. Like, see it here, they say answer today's question. Tap on it. Now today's question is, what is your gender? Now I'm a female. Click on confirm. The second question is, what is your occupation? I'm a freelancer. Confirm. And the last question is, how old are you? I'm 40. I'm 40. Then you confirm. Now you have received the reward. I've gotten 6 points, I think. Then you collect it. Okay, so I'm done with today's quiz. So another thing to do is you can watch ads to get points. Look at over here, you have this place that's where you have announcement stroke at advertisement. Over here you can now click here. These are the missions. Here you can watch ad to get points. They have videos that you can watch. Look at it here. Advertisement, you can watch the ad to get points or coins, whichever way. So right now they have 2 videos that you can watch to get points. This one is Nescafe. If you watch it, you are going to get 10. So this one, if you watch it, you are going to get this Nescafe. If you watch it, you are going to get 10 points. So this is how you can do it. This is the only video right now. If you tap on it, it's going to take you to the video whereby you watch this. You're on the home page. Click on this manage. click on the manage. So here is where you can now see your point and the value of that point here. And at this stage, I still loading. Maybe my network is not strong. At this stage, you can decide to transfer it. Once it's reached the maximum withdrawal, you can now withdraw it. You can as well receive from a friend, or you transfer to an exchange. So this is basically how to farm this project. And if you have not started, the link will be in the description. It's loading. You are supposed to see my balance here, but maybe my network is not strong, or something like that. So that's why it's taking time to load. This video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp for more updates. You guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.